Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a playlist within Facebook Creator Studio using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer as well as an account for Facebook and a like page and some videos. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this way for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Facebook Creator Studio via the shortcut within bookmarks. Make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to content. Within content, we should have collections. Within collections, let's now click on playlists. We can now create a brand new playlist. Top right corner, create playlist for reel or videos. Let's now click on video playlist. As this is a trial and a test, let's just now write the title. Copy that, paste that within the description. We can choose a cover image if required to. Let's now click on next. If we wish to, we can add some videos. Let's now click on save as draft, as we wish to not add any videos for the moment. Now let's go to that playlist itself. Click on this. We can publish from here. Click on publish. Let's now go back to posts and reels. Now go to playlists, and we should have that created playlist within playlists. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.